National Anthem of Pakistan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable President, may I have your permission to start the formal proceedings of this special investor ceremony for conferment of Nishan-e-Imtiyaz Military upon General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, and General Sayyid Asim Ali Ahmad Shah, Chief of the Army Staff.
Bismillah karen janab.
I now invite Mufti Ehsanullah Kakad for recitation from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين بالقسط شهداء لله يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين لله شهداء بالقسط ولا يجرمنكم شنآن قوم على ألا تعدلوا اعدلوا هو أقرب للتقوى واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون. शुरू करता हूँ अल्लाह ताला के बाबरकत नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान और निहायत रहम करने वाला है। ए ईमान वालो, अल्लाह की खातिर सच्चाई पर कायम रहने वाले और इंसाफ की गवाही देने वाले बनो। किसी गिरोह की दुश्मनी तुमको इतना मुश्ताइल न कर दे कि इंसाफ से फिर जाओ, आदल करो, ये खुदा तरसी से ज़्यादा मुनासिबत रखता है। अल्लाह से डर कर काम करते रहो, जो कुछ तुम करते हो अल्लाह उससे पूरी तरह बाखबर है। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
May I now request General Sahir Shamshad Mirza to come forward, please. Ladies and gentlemen, General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Hilal-e-Imtiyaz Military, was commissioned in 1987 in Infantry Battalion. He graduated from Commandant Staff College, Quetta, National Defense University, Islamabad. He also attended MSc Global Security course from Cranfield University, United Kingdom. During his illustrious military career, he served on various command and staff instructional assignments. His major staff appointments include Brigade Major of 2 Infantry Brigades, General Staff Officer at Pakistan Contingent United Nations Missions, Sierra Leone, Director of Military Operations, and Director General Military Operations, Vice Chief of General Staff, Adjutant General, and Chief of General Staff at the General Headquarters. In his instructional appointments, he has been on the faculty of School of Infantry Tactics, Quetta, Pakistan Military Academy, Kakul, and Command and Staff College, Quetta. He has commanded an infantry battalion, each in North Waziristan and Shakma War Zone, and infantry brigade along military boundary. He also commanded an infantry division in Operation Al-Mizan and commanded 10 Corps. He was promoted to the rank of General and appointed as Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, Joint Staff Headquarters on 27th November 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military upon General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee. Now I request General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, to come forward and receive the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz from the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. May I now request General Syed Asif Munir Ahmad Shah to come forward, please. Ladies and gentlemen, General Syed Asif Munir Ahmad Shah, Hilal-e-Imtiaz Military, was commissioned in April 1986 in 23 Frontier Force Regiment and is a recipient of the coveted Sword of Honor of 17th Ortiz Course. He is a graduate of Fuji School, Japan, Command and Staff College, Quetta, Malaysian Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Kuala Lumpur, and National Defense University, Islamabad. He also holds MPhil degree in Public Policy and Strategic Security Management. During his illustrious military career, he has served on various command and staff and instructional assignments. His major staff appointments include Brigade Major of a deployed infantry brigade, General Staff Officer in Chief of General Staff Secretariat, Directing Staff in Command and Staff College, Quetta, and Chief of Staff of a Strike Corps. He has commanded his parent Unit 23 Frontier Force Regiment, Infantry Brigade, Force Command Northern Areas, and 30 Corps. He has also led Pakistan training contingent in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The General has the unique honor to head both the premier intelligence agencies of Pakistan as Director General Military Intelligence and Director General Inter-Services Intelligence. Before his promotion and appointment as Chief of Army Staff, the General was Quartermaster General of Pakistan Army. He was promoted to the rank of General and appointed as Chief of Army Staff, General Headquarters on 29th November 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military upon General Syed Asif Munir Ahmad Shah, Chief of the Army Staff. Now I request General Syed Asif Munir Ahmad Shah, Chief of the Army Staff, to come forward and receive the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz from the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Honorable President, may I have your permission to close the formal proceedings of this special investor ceremony?
जी ज़रूर.
All the guests are invited for the light refreshments. Thank you very much.
ईवान सदर में एजाज़ात देने की तकरीब सदर ममलकत ने चेयरमैन जॉइंट चीफ्स ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी जनरल साहिर शमशाद मिर्जा को निशान इम्तियाज़ मिलिट्री दिया, जबकि सदर ममलकत ने चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ जनरल सैयद आसिम मुनीर को निशान इम्तियाज़ मिलिट्री दिया। ईवान सदर में एजाज़ात देने की तकरीब सदर ममलकत की जानिब से चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ और चेयरमैन जॉइंट चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ को निशान इम्तियाज़ मिलिट्री दिया गया। ईवान सदर में एजाज़ात देने की तकरीब सदर ममलकत की जानिब से चेयरमैन जॉइंट चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी जनरल साहिर शमशाद मिर्जा को निशान इम्तियाज़ मिलिट्री दिया गया। ईवान सदर में एजाज़ात देने की तकरीब सदर ममलकत की जानिब से चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ जनरल सैयद आसिम मुनीर और चेयरमैन जॉइंट चीफ्स ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी